dudes. Cats and dudes and guys. We want to say sorry because we have to the cinema challenge because that's not so good at the quality. Because we have filmed with Rasmus' iPhone. Yeah, that's not so good to film on YouTube. So I thought we all the other videos we have filmed with this Samsung Galaxy S3, I think. Yeah, with my phone. And we are gonna filming rest of all our videos in live with this. Just the cinema challenge is a big fail in the quality. We are not gonna delete it or anything, but sorry. We just say sorry. Yeah, sorry. See ya, dudes.